Hi, my name is Cliff Mautner. I'm a wedding photographer and a Nikon ambassador. I'm here to show you a little bit about how I shoot family formals at a wedding. Every single wedding has family formals. I like to use my Rogue FlashBenders on my SB5000 to give me a nice, sturdy, small softbox that's going to allow me to produce a nice quality of light for these family formals. I place the softbox on the speed light. It's triggered remotely. My assistant holds it off camera on about a 30 to 45 degree angle. And then I like to use a longer lens for my subjects, fire off the flash, and I get this beautiful soft quality of light. So let's take this, stand right about there. Excellent, thank you. So as you can see, I shoot my family formals with this Rogue FlashBender. You can do 2 people with it, 4 people, large groups. I like using it like a softbox in the studio. I can feather it, I can do a lot of different things with it. It's a soft quality of light. The other thing that I like about it, it is really portable. The Velcro system is simple, it unsnaps, it lays flat in my bag, and it fits on any type of flash system. So whatever you use, you can use it. It's pretty much that simple. I'm able to control the amount of light right from the camera. I'm able to get a nice soft quality of light, and best of all, I don't have Tupperware on top bouncing light off the clouds. There are many different modifiers on the market out there. I personally have been using these FlashBenders for years. I use the small, I use the large, I use the grid. I would be lost without these things. They are a part of my everyday wedding workflow. My name is Cliff Mautner. I hope you give them a try.